Dear students, in this part of the video, that is second part of aromatic hydrocarbons, let us discuss the structure and stability of benzenes. A glimpse into the earlier studies. The formula C6H6 for benzene suggested a high degree of unsaturation because the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms are same. So we expect there must be some double bonds or single bonds. That means the compound is having a high degree of unsaturation. But benzene did not show the typical reactivity normally shown by the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Benzene showed remarkable stability and underwent relatively fewer reactions. That means benzene was stable and it was not giving much reactions with any reagents. The predominant characteristic reactions of benzene were substitution reactions rather than addition reactions. Generally, the unsaturated compounds gives addition products like double bond, or if triple bond is there, then you will get an addition products. But in this case, benzene has given generally giving substitution reactions rather than addition reactions. So all these things are showing that benzene is something exceptional. Let us see Kekulé structure. Kekulé was the scientist. He has suggested the structure for the compound benzene. He has suggested that benzene molecule might have a hexagonal ring arrangement with alternate single and double bonds between them. So this must be the structure of benzene, possible structure for benzene. A hexagonal ring having carbon-carbon double and carbon-carbon single bond. Later, he only suggested that single bond and double bonds alternate in their positions between the carbon to yield two equivalent structures. So he was saying that the position of double bond and single bond are altering, and so that it give two equivalent structures, they are existing in a dynamic equilibrium. So this also just suggested by Kekulé only. But this structure had some limitations. It could not explain either the remarkable stability even towards strong oxidants like potassium permanganate or the ease with which it underwent substitution reactions. Because potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. Many of compounds will give a oxidizing product with KMnO4, but benzene was not giving any reaction with potassium permanganate. Also, it could not explain how easily it is undergoing substitution reactions. As we mentioned, generally unsaturated compound give addition products rather than substitution products. So that also could not be explained by Kekulé. Similarly, X-ray diffraction studies have revealed that all the 6 carbon-carbon bonds in benzene have an equal length. All the bonds between carbon-carbon atoms distance was 1.39 angstrom, which is actually greater than the carbon-carbon double bond length, that is 1.34, and lower than carbon-carbon single bond, that is 1.54. So in benzene, the distance between two carbon atoms was actually in between the normal carbon-carbon single bond length and carbon-carbon double bond length. This fact also could not be explained by Kekulé. Later, after resonance concept comes to the picture, these problems are solved. In resonance concept, according to resonance concept, benzene molecule is a resonance hybrid of these structures. So resonance concept says the actual structure of benzene, that is resonance hybrid, this is known as resonance hybrid, is a resonance hybrid of all these 5 structures, out of which 2 are Kekulé structures we have already discussed. That is giving, these 2 structures are giving 80% contribution to the resonance hybrid, and these 3 are the Dewar structures, but only 20% of the structure is contributed by these Dewar structures. Resonance hybrid has a lower energy and greater stability than the contributing structures, which means this structure is having lower energy, so this having greater stability compared to all these contributing structures. Resonance brings stability. So this process is called resonance. Resonance brings stability to a molecule, and stabilization achieved through is specified in terms of resonance energy. So the lower in energy is known as resonance energy, because if you compare the energy of any of the contributing structures, the energy of this structure is less. So this is called resonance stabilization, and this energy is called resonance energy. So what is the resonance energy of benzene? That is minus 150.5 kilojoules per mole, which means if you compare the energy of either of these two structures and this structure, the difference is this much, 150.5 kilojoules per mole. This either of these two, we have not considered these three because they are contributing only 20%, but Kekule structures are giving 80% contribution. So if we compare the energy of either of these two and this one, the difference is 150.5 kilojoules. So we can say that the resonance energy of benzene molecule is minus 150.5 kilojoules per mole. The concept of resonance explains the unusual stability of benzene. So this resonance is explaining the unusual stability because this energy difference is the main reason for the unusual stability of benzene. It supports the fact that all the bonds in benzene are identical with length equal to 1.39. So this resonance, the resonance is the reason for that all the carbon